Hello, dear students. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to our English grammar lesson entitled The Present Simple. Today, we are going to learn the present simple affirmative, negative, and interrogative. But before we get started with our lesson, it's good to remember. What are the personal pronouns? As we studied before, the personal pronouns are divided into two main categories: singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Singular pronouns are the following: I, you, he, she, and it. Plural pronouns are we, you, and they. Don't forget that it is used for one animal, plant, or thing. Let's get started with the present simple affirmative. I'm going to show you how to form a present simple affirmative with all the pronouns. For the first and second person singular forms I and you, the verb stays in the base form. For example, I like fishing. You like skateboarding. Where is the verb? The verb is like. Excellent. As we can see with the pronouns I and you, the verb remains in its basic form. For the first, second, and third person plural forms, we, you, and they, the verb also stays in the base form. For example, we like playing basketball, you like playing football, they like playing volleyball. Be careful. With the third person singular forms he, she, and it, we add s to the end of the verb. For example, he likes skateboarding, she likes cooking, it likes sleeping. The verb changed from like into likes by adding s with only he, she, and it. Let's move to the present simple negative. How to form a present simple negative with the first and second personal singular forms. I and you. We use the auxiliary verb do and we add the word not to it, so it becomes do not or don't. Then we write the main verb in the base form. For example, I don't like taking photos. You don't like reading comics. For the first, second, and third person plural forms, we, you, and they, we also use the auxiliary verb do and we add the word not to it, so it becomes do not or don't. Then we write the main verb in the base form, don't or do not, plus the main verb in the base form. For example, we don't like playing chess. You don't like playing tennis. They don't like doing gymnastics. Pay attention. With the third person singular forms he, she, and it, we use does in the place of do. And we add the word not to it, so it becomes does not or doesn't. Then we write the main verb in the base form, doesn't or does not, plus the main verb in the base form. Example, he doesn't like painting. She doesn't like drawing. It doesn't like sleeping. When doesn't is added to the negative form, the verb stays in the base form. Present simple interrogative. Let's take a look about how we can make a yes or no question for a present simple tense. To make a yes or no question, we add do or does to the beginning of the sentence. Let's start with the auxiliary do. The auxiliary do is used with the following pronouns: I, you, we, you, and they. For example, I like playing the guitar. This is an affirmative sentence, and the verb is like. To make this sentence interrogative, we add the auxiliary do before the pronoun I, so it becomes, do I like playing the guitar? The answer is, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Interrogative sentence with do is formed of do plus pronoun plus main verb. Negative short answer is formed of no plus pronoun plus don't. No, I don't. Positive short answer is formed of yes plus pronoun plus do. Yes, I do. Here are some examples. You like playing chess. This is an affirmative sentence and the verb is like. To make it an interrogative sentence, we add the auxiliary do before the pronoun you, so it becomes, do you like playing chess? The answer is, yes we do, or no we don't. They like skateboarding. So this is an affirmative sentence and the verb is like. Excellent. To make this sentence interrogative, we add do before the pronoun they, so it becomes, do they like skateboarding? The answer is, yes they do, or no they don't. Present simple interrogative with does. The auxiliary does is used with the following pronouns, he, she, and it. For example, he likes playing the piano. This is an affirmative sentence and the verb is likes. To make this sentence interrogative, we add does before the pronoun he, so it becomes, does he like playing the piano? The answer is, yes he does, or no he doesn't. When does is added to the verb stays in the base form. We don't add s at the end of the verb. Interrogative sentence with does is formed of does plus pronoun plus main verb. Positive short answer is formed of yes plus pronoun plus does. Yes, he does. Negative short answer is formed of no plus pronoun plus doesn't. No, he doesn't. Here are some examples with does. She likes shopping. This is an affirmative sentence and the verb is likes. To make this sentence interrogative, we add does before the pronoun she, so it becomes, does she like shopping? The answer is, yes she does, or no she doesn't. It likes sleeping. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. Where is the verb? The verb is likes. Excellent. By adding does before the pronoun it, the sentence became interrogative. Does it like sleeping? The answer is yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Be careful. Only with he, she, and it. Please note that we don't have to add s at the end of the verb in negative and question forms. For example, he doesn't like, she doesn't like, it doesn't like. Does he like? Does she like? Does it like? When does is added to the negative and the question forms, the verb stays in the base form. We don't have to add s. Sum it. Finally, We will summarize what we have learned from this lesson by conjugating the verb like in the present simple affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I like dancing. I don't like dancing. Do I like dancing? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. You like sleeping. You don't like sleeping. Do you like sleeping? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. He likes running. He doesn't like running. Does he like running? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. She likes reading. She doesn't like reading. Does she like reading? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. It likes eating. It doesn't like eating. Does it like eating? Yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. We like drinking. We don't like drinking. Do we like drinking? Yes, we do, or no, we don't. They like singing. They don't like singing. Do they like singing? Yes, they do, or no, they don't. Thank you, grade 3, for your attention. Stay safe. Goodbye.